Welcome to AMVital. Discover total wellness for your mind, body, and home today.
Turmeric for kids, 5 amazing health benefits. In this video we are talking about what is babies, toddlers, childs, and kids. Is turmeric safe for kids? Health benefits of turmeric for kids. Safety. Good health is not only a concern for adults. The foundation is to be built from a very young age, even when we are babies. Turmeric is excellent for the whole family, even babies. It has been used for thousands of years as a flavoring, medicine, Ayurveda, and even natural beauty treatment. Furthermore, turmeric's powerful force is curcumin, a polyphenol that makes it yellow. Also, it is the reason turmeric has so many health benefits. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. So let's dive into the video. What is babies, toddlers, childs, and kids? In simplest terms, an infant is a baby who is 1 year old, whereas a toddler is a young child above 1 year of age, leaving the baby stage. In this stage, a toddler learns to walk and talk. Once a child reaches the age of 3 years old, he is no longer a toddler but a child. Thus, a child or young person is a kid aged 4 to 5 years or is admitted to the school. Is turmeric safe for kids? Yes, turmeric is safe for kids and children. There are no official and conclusive guidelines for when to include turmeric in a child's food. However, always consult your doctor before having turmeric or turmeric-related supplements in your kid's diet. The goodness of turmeric is that it benefits kids in the right amounts. Turmeric for children is relatively safe and can be given to them in many forms, especially milk. Since milk is a portion of food they're already familiar with, they might find this flavor delicious and drink it up without giving it a second thought. Let's take a bird's eye view of the health benefits turmeric offers to kids. 5 amazing health benefits of turmeric for kids. Recent research found turmeric efficacy on health systems, supporting a reduction in inflammation and antioxidation, which may help treat several conditions. Remedy for congestion, colds, and flu. Fever and colds, cough, and sore throats are common in young children and kids. Your child suffers from a fever, which means some form of inflammation in his body. And a cold or a cough is a symbol of infection from germs and microbes. Turmeric's potent anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial agent can help treat flu and fever. It also prevents infection by improving the child's immunity against viral diseases. Give your toddler a mixture of a pinch of turmeric, a few drops of ginger juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of honey to eliminate any fever or flu-related symptoms. Skin healthy ingredient. Your children often suffer from sports injuries. Try this turmeric healing paste. Support immune system. Curcumin in turmeric boosts the immune system of children and adults alike, because it not only prevents the chances of infections in children but also keeps allergies at bay. Effective against allergies. Allergies happen when the immune system releases chemicals called histamine, resulting in inflammation, rashes, and other responses to common allergens. However, curcumin helps stop the production of histamine, reducing the body's allergic reaction. Also, studies withhold the opinion that turmeric helps decrease the symptoms of asthma in children. Safety first. If your child is suffering from any of the following disorders, you should not give turmeric or use it with extreme caution. During surgeries. If your child is about to undergo surgery, thus, consult your doctor before you give him turmeric. Gallbladder or kidney disorders. If your kid suffers from gallbladder problems, do not give him turmeric in large quantities, as it will worsen the condition. Blood thinning medicines. If your child is on blood thinning or antiplatelet medicines, do not give him turmeric. Stomach acidity. In that case, the intake of turmeric increases stomach acid production, so avoid using turmeric. Consult your kid's doctor to know the safe amount of turmeric for children. This wraps up today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you like the video, give us big thumbs and subscribe to the channel.